Lenovo was probably one of the primary players of IFA 2022, and not just for the ThinkPad X1 Fold update and the Glasses T1 that we discussed earlier. I'll be sure to link to those in the description. The thing is, Android tablets have become this sort of wild west of cheap solutions, and I use the word to describe quality and not necessarily the price. Unless you went Samsung with their awesome Galaxy Tab lineup, the usual case was to see companies drift to the limbo of poor iteration, where even Google is teasing something of the sort that has nobody excited. Lenovo has just launched a few alternatives that are actually pretty affordable, but not cheap in any way. Reporting from both New York City and Berlin with Adam Lein on camera, I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow, and let's dive in. All right, to be fair, we got more than just tablets, but we're gonna start with those because those were the ones that impressed us the most. I think our favorite was the Lenovo Tap P11 Pro, being their most premium option showed off. Its main selling point is an 11.2-inch cinematic OLED touchscreen at 2.5K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate that's capable of Dolby Vision, 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, and 600 nits of brightness, which is all hard to find for the $400 price tag. It's powered by MediaTek's new Compiano 1300T with up to 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, and the battery life that's rated for 14 hours. The perks then continue with Lenovo's ThinkPad-style detachable keyboard and options for the company's Precision Pen 3, which works through Bluetooth and both attaches and then charges magnetically at the back. It runs Android 12 and provided a pretty fluid experience as I tried it for a couple of minutes during the demo. Now, for anyone looking for something a bit more affordable but nonetheless still of quality, there's the Tap P11 Gen 2. This one brings an 11.5-inch LCD at 2K resolution at 120Hz refresh rate. It's powered by MediaTek's Helio G99 processor, up to 6 gigs of RAM, and up to 128 gigs of storage. The keyboard on this one is sadly optional, and the same goes for the stylus, which doesn't offer the same precision we find on the Pro sibling. That being said, for $250 in the price tag, it's still pretty understandable. As for the other products, we got to see their new Lenovo Ideapad 5i Chromebook, which is the company's first to provide a whopping 16-inch display at 2.5K resolution and even 120Hz refresh rate. It then packs quite a punch with Intel's 12th generation Core i3, a 1080p webcam, up to 12 hours of battery life, and 512 gigs of storage. Pricing and availability is still not available, but in certain regions we hear it'll start at €549 starting on September 2022. We then also got to see their new line of monitors, which range from the new Legion Y32P30 gaming monitor, which provides 32 inches of 4K resolution at 144 Hz, and then we also got to see updates on their ThinkVision monitors, though the amount of SKUs is pretty broad, so I think it's just better for me to link to the article on Pocketnow.com where you get full details, pricing, and everything. Overall, and going back to the topic of the tablets, at a time when most of these barely reach 1080p resolution, give you poor amounts of RAM and storage, terrible build, and little or no stylus support, Lenovo's new offerings are a breath of fresh air at their price. Now, we just need Android to get better on tablets, and obviously we need for these to become available, but let us know what you think of these products in the comments down below, and while you're at it, follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. You can also follow us on our personal handles as we've got a lot more coverage of IFA 2022. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.